Hey you guys, welcome to Off My Rocker. I'm Mike Turner. Today we get to go on a prairie dog hunt out west. So sit back and enjoy the fun. This horse's owner invited us out with our pellet guns because they can't use high power rifles or poison, and the prairie dogs are destroying his pasture. Okay, here we go.
Technical difficulties.
So the FTS, the film through the scope thing, is new to me. I'm having a little bit of difficulty figuring it out, but Nick shot all the ones up close. I'm going to try for some that are out there closer to 75 to 100 yards. Our pellet guns are sighted in for about 35 yards, and we've got a little bit of a wind coming from the right to left, so we're having to do holdover and a little bit of windage to make these shots count. The hit on this pasture wrecker was solid. He tried to make it to the hole, but he ran out of steam just before he got there. This was the luckiest prairie dog of the day. Watch as he ducks down just before the pellet hits. Yeah, push it once and then feel it. It should vibrate twice. Hey, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of content, hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell also. And as I post videos, you'll get notified. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next adventure.